I'm going to take you on a small tour of all my birdhouses here. Swallows come. There's one, see it up above the dish. And there's one, see it up above the dish. Oh, there's a swallow flying around. Then we'll go over here. There's one on the main cabin on this side. One on this end. There's another one. That's 4. Put a couple on the woodshed. 5, 6. They're all full. I need to make some more, which I'll do later this summer. 7, 8, 9, 10. I try to put them under the eaves the best I can so the rain don't get them. And there's another one on that eave. You can see the swallow, 2 of them up above it, the house. And then I got 2 more houses on this end. You see the swallow above that one. And I got a house here on the birch tree. It's fun to watch these birds, especially when they hatch. I'll try to get my extension later and we'll look on them this summer and see how they're doing. But here's what I got to do. I got to rake all this dead grass where the mice lived under the snow and get it out of here. So you see I kicked some away. The new grass is coming there. But that's what I'm going to do the rest of the day and clean up all the limbs. You can see where I raked it here, how the grass is coming. It won't be long till it shows up.